Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to remove page numbers in Google Docs. If you've been searching for a way to delete page numbers in Google Docs documents, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To remove page numbers in Google Docs, first, open the Google Docs in your computer web browser and log in to your account. Once you are in Google Docs, open the document from which you want to remove page numbers. I am going to delete the page numbers from this document. This document has 3 pages with page numbers. Now, double-click on any existing page number in your document. This will open the header or footer section where the page numbers are inserted in editing mode. Click and select the page number text. Now, press the delete or backspace key on your keyboard to remove the page number. Once removed, click outside the header or footer area to close it. Your page numbers will be gone from the entire document. By following these simple steps, you can easily remove page numbers from your Google Docs document.